I want to become a guitarist. So it's time that I want to start playing the guitar again. And suddenly, I remember how difficult it is to play and sing at the same time.
At tayong dalawa'y maghahasik ng kaligayahan.
And my fingers this day felt really painful because I haven't tried the guitar for a long time.
Wala nang iba.
I recorded a lot of videos and I'm still struggling.
Inis na ako Alam ko na, short version na lang. Wala na akong choice. Naiinis na ako, kanina pa ako kumakanta. Ever since 4 p.m. Try ko nang gawa ng paraan to, kanina pa. Oo, short version na lang yung gagawin ko. Hindi ko na kaya Kay tagal, kitang hinintay. Tapos din, boy.
Outside my singing journey, of course I have other responsibilities, which is my school, and this is how a day in my life looks like. But before that, meet my classmates. This is Maurice, Armstrong, Kuya Paul, and Irish.
Yun guys, ano tayo ng Korean song ngayon?
Now Kuya Paul here is going to sing a Korean song.
사랑해. 구름을 가이타리기 도라리가는 야리 근데 구가리비 코리보
Kaya no, parang kinain ka.
이부부호 코라이 컴버리스포 사기로 미히라마라 사랑이여
Ulit ako na pa, ilan ako ako
사랑이여 Sa utak na tama yan, sa muscle. Oo.
I'm starting to get sleepy during our OJT, so I thought that I wanted to ask for some advice on how to do a proper push-up with my classmates.
Ganyan. Aray,
Straight ka ng ganun, tapos ito yung baba mo.
Tama ba?
Oo. Eh, baba mo to, yung good mo, baba mo. Ganun ka.
Parang lang.
Ang dami mo.
Tinitira. Akala ko tinitira mo na naman yung sa'yo.
Ever since OJT, this is basically what I do. After I went back home, I practice guitar and upload my song of the day.
Di ka ba napapagod? Di kaya nagsasawa sa ating mga tampuhan?
Went back school, walked back home, played the guitar,
Hirap tanggapin, hindi mo na ako kailangan. Sana na may nilabanan mo.
go back to school,
Parang familiar talaga.
vibe with my classmates,
Ito na naman ang puti.
and just so you know, we have an OJT project, which is basically a system that we need to develop. And I have the heart to smoke. And you look happy here, right?
Sakali,
Singing and playing the guitar is my coping mechanism. It brings peace into my heart.
For I can't help falling in love with you. I can't help falling in love with you. Nagkamali pa. Okay lang huli eh. Okay lang. With you shall I stay. With me I'll stay. If I can't help.
This day is hell because the deadline of the project is literally the next day. And I remember I was so scared. Thankfully, I was able to finish that project and we defended it successfully. But the cycle repeats. I go to school, I play the guitar,
Even though I'm surrounded by my peers and music is able to calm my nerves, I still find myself feeling lonely. Just like how Bocchi felt, she felt like an outcast. I couldn't really comprehend it, but somehow I just pushed those thoughts aside.
This day arrived. Just like the beautiful blue sky, my mood today is bright. We have a pictorial and this meant graduation is near.
Tanggap ka na.
Someday, I'll be able to have a job and that thought is scary, but also exciting.
Attorney!
I remember those days when I had a pictorial with my old classmates too. And this brings back memories.
Ano yan?
And then later that day, I got to meet with a fellow friend. We're both busy, but she was able to make time for me, and this happened.
Maganda yung first part.
They openly gave me constructive feedbacks when it comes to singing. Before that though, they wanted to see how I'm singing normally. So I got to play my favorite song. Torete is not just a normal song to me. It's a special song that I sung with a lot of people. And it's definitely a song that I probably memorize when it comes to playing the guitar. Because just look at the chord progression. It's pretty easy. The whole song is literally just like that.
Okay, stop. Ano po yun? Wait lang.
And now, it's time for the actual quitting.
What is your judgment?
Maayos na yung ibang maayos yung ibang part mo, pero yung sa ano, yung sa parang, ano ba yun? Ano ba yung line na ano? Yung parang nag-grow yung
Yung ano, yung para bang talaga yung nahirapan siya.
Oo, kasi parang pinipilit
Ano
mo.
yung para bang ba yun? Pasigaw kasi yung ano niya,
Oo,
tsaka...
ganun.
Na para bang ganon?
Oo. Dapat nile-let out mo. Like, i-relax mo lang. I-relax mo lang yung boses
I-relax
mo.
mo lang ano.
Tapos ano mo, like, i-solve mo yung boses mo.
Ay, ano bigla-bigla ka rin kasi sumisigaw.
Ay,
Nabahid ng mga luha, damdamin at puso'y tika.
ay,
Ay.
wag mo ganyan, wag mo ganyan.
Tsaka ano,
Aray.
pansin ko lang, nawawala-wala ka sa tono.
Oo.
Kasi sinasabayan mo yung ano, vocal mo. Bigla kang tumataas,
Tapos bumababa.
bigla baba, tapos biglang taas.
I think,
Kaya nag-iiba yung
try mo mag-acapella.
acapella ka muna. Tapos tsaka mo siya ano sa ako.
Tapos yung alam mo yung do, re, mi.
Aray ko. Oh. Nakakainis ko yun eh. Doremi.
Vocal na warm up. Pag vocal warm up ka mo.
Ay, lagi ka pong ginagawa yun.
Curious ka sa ano ko, warm up ko, Tin? Curious ka sa warm up ko? Ganito warm up ko. Daddy made me
Oh, go, try mag-vocal.
Tapos yung ano, yung ng hangin sa bibig, more on chan.
Check.
Tsaka
Pag
kung
ano, pag wala
gagamit
kang...
ang nasal, kasi parang mag-ano ng
Tapos pag ano, pag... Pwede ka rin gumamit ng pag di mo na kaya, dugain mo na lang.
Yes.
Dugain.
Pag hindi mo kaya yung ano, yung tone, pwede mo naman siyang gawin ano, may sariling version.
Yes.
Ano ba yun? Ano kung tamang ano doon? Kasi ginagawa ko yun eh.
Ito na lang
Alam
sa'yo.
ko paano
Ay.
siya advice.
Ay, okay na.
Pasok sa ano niya, sa range na.
Tsaka,
Pakinggan mo yung mga kanta talaga ni Arthur Neri.
tsaka yung di ba bawat line,
Oh.
huwag kang ano, like tuloy-tuloy, huminga ka muna after nung line na yun.
Promise, pag naging comfortable kasi pagkanta,
Yes.
pupulutin mo na lang yan.
Tsaka
Tsaka
pag
pag
alam,
alam,
lalaroin mo na lang yan.
pag ano, pag alam mo hindi mo na kaya, pag alam mo hindi mo na kaya, mo ipilit, huwag yung pasigaw bigla. Pagka, kung ano, sa ang range mo kaya, then mo ano yun. Hoy, pamasahin naman natin.
Sumisigaw eh. no?
Bubombahin mo.
Oh, go, try mo ulit, try mo.
Hindi naman ano, opinion na wala namang saysay. Alam mo
Yes.
yun, hindi naman makakatulong sa'yo.
Hinga ka ng malalim ha. And then,
Over naman.
yung sa diaphragm mo, huwag mong ipitin, chan mo. Dapat
Pagkatapos
parang,
mo kumanta, wag kang iinom ng malamig na tubig.
Di inom ka, parang ito niya sa akin. Naka yung boses.
Bakla yung nahanap na nga.
wag mong iipitin yung boses mo. I-let out mo lang.
7:25 na kami.
Go, go, go.
Gamaga na tayo, karaoke.
Karaoke na.
Ngayon lang ang ngayon lang.
Wag lang.
Wala lang ang pera. Nahanap ko sa palang Watson.
Ay, mali. Ibang kanta yun.
Ayan.
Hindi ka sa
Ikaw
Torrente.
ah, hindi dapat ganon.
Go.
Ano bang kanta ang play ka?
Torete pa
Ay,
rin.
Torete pa rin ba?
Naka-video pati.
Torete pa rin. Tapos yung kung ano yung kaninang sinabi namin, yun yung gawin mo.
Ano yung pinakaunang kanta mo? May practice.
Torete.
Wala pa nga eh.
Ano yung pinaka-favorite song lang? Torete.
Ano yung pinaka may version niya? Naging sa labas.
Ito. Compose ko to.
Lang na yung
Ay, wag na. Yung Torete lang.
Hayaan mo siya.
Torete na nga
Isa kami.
eh.
Inaano mo eh.
Hindi, Torete na.
Sige, Torete.
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 Hayaan niyo na siya.
Oh, go. Torete.
Ako, wala.
Go.
Sandali na lang.
Ayan. So, stop.
Maaari bang
Ayan.
bigyan? Maalis na nga.
Umunay balik.
Maaari bang
Ayan.
tawakan na?
Oh, ayan na naman. Go, go, go. Tuloy-tuloy.
Yung mga kamay.
Ayan.
Sana
Ayan, yun na naman. Ulitin mo yun.
Sana
Ayan.
ay maabot ang langit ang iyong mga ngiti.
Ayan.
Sana
Ayan!
ay
Ganon.
huwag kang mag-alala. Di ko ipipilit sa'yo kahit naliliba.
Ah, ano naman.
Pwede mong babaan yun.
Babaan mo yan.
Babaan mo na yung
Lilipad.
key. Babaan mo na yung
Okay.
Kahit na lilipad
Ayun.
Ayan.
isip ko'y turete sa'yo.
Ayan. Ulitin mo yun. Yung turete. Like,
Basta kung hindi mo kaya yung ano, babaan mo.
babaan mo ulit.
Turete sa'yo.
Ayan. Ayan.
Ilang gabi pa nga lang. Oo nga no? Napapansin ko na.
Ayan,
Napapansin ko na.
Pansin niyo na.
Nagigising na siya.
Sama.
Wala, joke lang.
Ilang gabi pa nga lang.
Ayan.
Tayo'y pinagtagpo.
Oh, yan. Hindi mo yun.
Hala!
Tama lang.
Tama lang. Tama lang. Nakuha niya.
Okay, okay.
Ito naman,
Hindi kasi
Dinasabayan ko naman eh.
may
Okay, okay,
inspiration kasi ako si
Okay,
Kuya
go,
sa...
go, 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 go.
Wala.
Para magkwento.
Wala nang backstory.
May side ko.
Go.
Si Dali.
Ayan.
Ilang gabi pa nga lang tayo'y pinagtagpo na parang may tumulak na lalamig nanginginig na ako. Akala ko nung una
Okay, ulit yun. Yung akala ko, wala sa ano. Wala siya sa ano.
Babaan mo. Sa akala. Bigla siya tumataas.
Paano?
Bigla kasi siyang
Di ba
tumataas.
tumataas mo talaga? Akala ko.
Oh, pero wala siyang ano.
Sobrang
Wala
ano. Wala na sa yung ano niya.
Go, gawin mo nga in a main key.
akala ko nung
Ayun.
una may bukas na ganito. Mabuti pang miwas, pero salamat na rin nadagdag ko. Turete, turete, turete ako. Turete, turete, turete sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-alala, di ko ipipilit sa'yo.
Oh, yun na naman. Kumano ka.
Literal na pinilit.
Oh, go na rin ako.
Tingnan nyo.
Ayun gagamitin natin. Isang layout na. Ano ba to? Kaya na niya.
I got to actually f around with the OJT.
Ito yung lagay mo, Irish. So you never...
Babaluang po.
Yun yung never stop. Ayun yung ilagay mo.
Iba talaga kapag IG.
Laughing with my classmate was so much fun. Bagal. And here is Samantha, or whom I refer to as Sammy. She's one of my friends who inspired me on singing. And after that long, hectic day, I got to have a chance and meet her and ask for some singing advice.
So this is Sammy. Say hi to the camera.
Kasi, alam mo, sabi nila may plano daw sila sa 14.
Anong mako-comment mo sa pagkanta ko ngayon?
Nai-improve siya.
We?
Yes.
Hindi, I mean dito muna. Alam mo yan?
Dun, 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 dun.
Ding, 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 ding. The daylight fades slowly, but time Piling ko di ka abot.
Pwede mo naman kasi i-adjust yung tone niya sa tone mo. You know?
Mm-mm.
Ano, iibahin mo yung vocal cords mo, mag-ibabahe ka. Hindi, di ba?
Oo.
Parang a-adjust mo siya sa sarili mo. Like, boy version ba?
Oo. Isa sa mga advice na binigay sa akin.
Yes. Kasi may guitar ka naman, so pwede mong i-adjust yung tone niya.
Mm-hmm.
Another thing is, sa mga kanta, siguro yung mga sa tingin mong babagay, alam mo yung ano, pinanta natin ng karaoke
Oo.
nung nanalo ako sa SM.
Oo.
Bagay din yung mga tone mo doon. Honestly.
Ay, naalala ko yun. Yung listahan na yun.
Yes.
Interesting.
Bagay din yung mga kanta doon sa'yo. Yung mga nirecommend ko.
Okay.
Tapos ano pa mga kanta meron ka dyan?
Ito yung mga yung mga recent kasi may tinuro sa akin si tawag doon. Napapansin kasi nila na kapag kumakanta ako, may pasigaw. Pansin mo? Ito.
Pasigaw is ginagawa mo kasi para maabot yung
Oo, yun. Kasi habang nag-edit ako dati, napapansin ko, naka-headset ako, uy gagi, sakit sa tenga, yung ibang nota, lalo na yung matataas. Pero nung nag-try ako na nung na-recognize ko yun, trinay ko na sabi kasi nga, stay lang daw ako sa range ko. So, trinay ko yun. Lang. Saan ba? Wala nang pasigaw, no? Kinokontrol ko yan eh. Aware na ako dun eh.
Alam mo, honestly, pag nagkakaraoke ako, tapos sobrang baba ng tono, nahihirapan akong abutin. Yun yung pinaka-problema ko lang. I've been waiting for the people to say.
Okay naman so far.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Siguro medyo smooth mo na lang siya.
Natatawa ako dyan. Tama ba yung nota ko dyan?
Pwede na.
Pwede
Kasi
na.
boy version.
Kasi pag pinilit ko yan, sisigaw yan. Ayokong gawin yun. Nare-recognize ko na pala kapag wala ako sa tono. Kung hindi kumpara sa last year. Inaano ko na.
Pag araw-araw ka kasi kumakanta, mapapansin mo yun.
Oo, papansin ko na nga eh, gagi.
So yun yung, wala ka talagang deaf tone. Ano ka lang, unaware ka lang.
Oo.
Pag
Tapos,
hindi ka kasi sanay kumanta, like, hindi ka used.
alam mo yan?
Siguro sa pag-shift na lang ng mga tone, yung i-smooth mo dyan. Kasi yung pagkanta mo parang each note yung ginagawa mo.
Ay, oo.
Tsaka yung, di ba, bawat line, huwag ka nga like tuloy-tuloy, huminga ka muna after nung line na yun.
Yan yung isa sa napapansin nila sa akin eh. Yung breath, sa breath ba yun? Breath? Kumbaga
Sa breathing,
Oo.
yung parang paputol-putol siya.
Oo.
Straight mo lang yung breathing. Sumpay emotion. Papansin mo. Shadow.
Oh, wow. Alright.
Love. Yung ginagawa mo. Love.
Alright.
Medyo parang putol siya, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Na lang siguro yung kailangan mong i-improve. Kasi nai-improve mo naman na siya.
Mm.
Napapansin mo yung mga notes difference,
Oo.
gano'n. Naaabot mo yung mga kanta, alam mo na nare-recognize mo na kung ano yung naaabot mo sa hindi.
Mm-mm.
So, yung kailangan mo na lang gawin now is siguro i-smooth mo na lang yung breathing mo.
Ito yung comment sa akin ni Danica dito sa
Yeah.
Terrified. Sabi nga ano daw, okay na hindi na ako sumisigaw, di ba? Wala na yun, na-eliminate ko na. Ang problema nga naman, naging monotone.
Yun din. Masyado siyang lifeless.
Wala pang dynamics, no? Kasi yung dati may dynamics, kaso pilit. Lumisigaw ako. Pangit yun.
Yung ibang kanta mo is wala kang buhay. Like, no energy. Like, malungkot, ganun, sad. Dagdagan mo naman ng konting buhay, di ba? Like,
Paano yun? So, ilalagay ko yung emosyon sa pagkanta.
yes, kasi singing has emotions. Ginagamitan mo yan ng emotions. Dinadamdam mo dapat yung pinakanta mo. Okay, di ba emotionally intelligent ka?
Ay! Hey! Kalimutan ko yung lyric.
If singing is just one of the things I need to work with, it's not just that, but also playing the guitar itself. because this thing is really getting on my nerves. I'm almost going to make it perfect, but I missed that one note, and of course, I have to retry. Attempt 1 turned into attempt 2, attempt 3, and so on.
Ah! Nainis na ako ah. Ah! Ah! Ayoko na maging gitarista. Ano ba yan? Nag-lag pa yung laptop ko. Oh, my PC is literally lagging. What the heck? Oh no. Aray!
I doubted myself.
Ah!
Several attempts later, this is my attempt 29, and
full storage ako. Full storage ako dito guys. Ang dami kong na-edit na videos. And I'm halfway to the month. So it is currently February 16. I just had to edit my video now because I still have a lot of videos to edit. And oh my god. Considering I still have an OJT duties and also this motherfucker. Look at this. I have to edit all of that. Can you imagine? And considering that I'm still managing to balance my time, binabalance ko time ko. Binabalance ko rin yung school, work, and also my passion, which is a little bit hard. And yet, I'm still alive and thankful. Buti na lang, buhay pa ako. Grabe, nakaka-stress to guys. Pero, I do enjoy the process of making content. Paano ko kaya mapaplano to?
Playing the guitar and singing is difficult, and this is how it looks like.
Dating pagtingin. Ulat nga, patrip.
Timing the chords, strumming it correctly,
Di magbabago.
and also keeping in mind that you have to sing is fucking difficult.
Nahirap. Sa ano ba yan?
And then this day came, February 18. It's Sammy's birthday.
Ang basis, boy!
And one of my goals is to sing for her birthday. From what I learned that day, I wanted to apply it on my performance.
Sandali na lang. Maaari bang pagbigyan? Aalis lang nga. Maaari bang hawakan ng iyong mga kamay? Sana ay maabot ang langit ang iyong mga ngiti. Sana ay masilig. Huwag kang mag-alala. Di ko pipilit sa'yo kahit nalilipad ang isip ko'y torete sa'yo. Ilang gabi pa nga lang tayo'y pinagtagpo na parang may tumulak na nadamig. Nanginginig na ako. Akala ko nung una may bukas ang ganito. Mabuti pang umiwas, pero salamat. Ilalagay kayong emosyon sa pagkanta?
Yes, kasi singing has emotions.
Torete, torete, torete ako. Torete, torete, torete sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-alala. Di ko ipipilit sa'yo kahit nalilipad ang isip ko'y torete sa'yo. Torete, torete, torete ako. Torete, torete, torete sa'yo.
Pwede naman yun sa gitara.
It wasn't a perfect performance, I'm still messing it up, but I gave it all.
Torete,
And it shows in her reaction.
torete ako. Torete, torete, torete sa'yo. Torete,
Ako talaga yung third wheel dito, guys.
The very same night, I got to reflect a little on my loneliness. And yeah, it was quite a heavy one, but one event had liberated me. A proper closure to a chapter. I'm not gonna share it in details, but this night, I had a grip on a past version of myself that once gave a lot. And the knowledge that it wasn't meant to be. A bitter pill to swallow. But sometimes, beautiful days like this happens, and there is a good reason. God is simply redirecting me to different paths. It might have been a different outcome than I hoped for, but it's better. I still have responsibilities to take care of as a graduating student, so I face it. Even though a part of me is still lost.
Hey, let's go.
Makapag-aral dito na maayos eh.
Uy, ano dala-dala yun?
And by the way, Mau is bringing his ukulele to school, which is very exciting.
Yuko.
Ay, wait.
My guitar has been with me for almost 3 years now. And look at that bag. OJT lately has been pretty good. I'm surviving. I'm still trying to find the balance between passion and responsibility.
Tangin doon lang napal. Let's record. What's up, vlog, Eme?
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I try to be chill, but you're so hot that I'm melting.
Tingnan mo, Mau.
And here we go again. I find it cute that I wish is living again, so I decided to pull a little Frank on her.
I found love for
Chill na lang, intro pa lang. Huwag mag-one bar tayo doon tapos game.
Sige pa.
I also got to have my first collaboration beside my friends, and this is Kuya Jed.
I found love. Your heart is all I know, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark.
This experience gave me confidence because during this time, I'm cringing deep inside. But as Kuya Jed continues to play the guitar, I have a deep respect that him and the listeners around me didn't laugh. They just let me sing.
You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Whoa.
These past few days, I actually wanted to start changing my sleep schedule. And I tried to wake up more earlier. I got to practice river flows in you because that's one of my goals this month. I'm also finding that being alone is not that bad. I'm still discovering about life.
You're a good student.
Kunyari good student, pero
Now, let's introduce another person. This person holds a special place in my heart. He's one of the people who inspired me in singing because of his voice. And his name is...
Hi po, Kuya Sal.
Kuya Saldi was my grade 11 and 12 classmate. He had an amazing voice that I look up to. And not just that, but one thing that I really have a grudging respect is his kindness.
Yan na, nag-chat na siya. Here we go. Ay, si Sam pala yun. Siya na ba yan? Take two, take two. Si Sam lang.
This week is a hellish week because not only I have to finish editing this episode in 1 week, but also I have a lot of videos that I don't want to get thrown away.
Sige, gawin mo.
And the worst part is, my laptop is getting full storage.
Diba?
This is a mess, but I'm managing to focus.
O, diba? Pansin mo. Kasi, ganito lang yan. Pagka-pogi kasi yung isang tao, lagi mong tatandaan.
Kung ano yung mga parts ng code. Okay, naka-video.
Hindi.
Hindi, kitang-kita oh.
Oh, yan ah. Nag-aaral sila na mabuti.
Oo, sobra. Oo,
Ako.
loko.
Ay, inang aral yan. This is my message to my future self. Patience is what I learned in this month because playing the guitar and singing at the same time is fucking tedious. It is very, 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 very hard. There are a lot of challenges that I went through. How often I forgot the chords, the strumming, and at the same time, singing in tune. That's one thing that I need to focus more, I feel like. When it comes to a lot of things, patience is very important. Let's not forget about that. I do admit, there are a lot of goals that I still haven't finished. And I kind of pushed myself a little too hard this month. But at the same time, it taught me patience, grit, quite a lot actually. I'm not gonna name all of them, but yeah. First of all, I'm still trying to balance my school and my life. And also, I'm still searching for my identity. I do feel like I want to expand my connection more. But for now, I'm proud of myself. Last episode, being a singer, I learned what consistency is. That taught me a lot too. But this month taught me even more. And I'm gonna keep this exit interview very, very short. This is me. I am Guitarist Justin, signing